Color chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to force each other's moves using the colored board and to capture your opponent's king. There is no checkmate. Build the frames and fill in the board with the colored tiles one of three ways: randomly, in a pattern of your choice, or competitively by having each player alternate turns placing tiles anywhere on the board. Once the board is assembled, set up pieces like normal. On the first turn of the game, white makes one legal move to any square. Every turn after that, each player will make 2 moves per turn. Your first move must be to a square of the same color that your opponent ended their previous turn on. You must make a legal move for this if available, even if you don't want to. If there are no legal moves for this, then you skip this step. Your second move must be with a different piece to a different color than what you just moved. If you are unable to move a different piece or can't move a piece to a different color, then you skip your second move. If this happens, your opponent skips their first move and is allowed to move any piece to any color. To castle, it is the color the king moves to that counts for the move. It doesn't matter which color the rook ends on. Both pieces are considered to have moved from castling and may not be moved again in the same turn. Your king is allowed to move through check while castling. En passant is allowed like normal on either the first or second move of the very next turn. The end space for the pawn performing en passant determines the color of that move. When you promote a piece, it may not be moved again that turn. Your king doesn't have to escape check if you don't want to, and also can intentionally move into check if you want. The first player to capture their opponent's king wins. Check out the link in the description for where you can play online for free. And if you want to purchase a physical copy of the game, be sure to use my promo code SSGames for a sweet discount. The game also includes several more variants and alternative ways to play for you to enjoy, and you can further customize play with non-standard board shapes and pieces, as well as rules for tournament play.